Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so another video I would like to make today is the common question that I keep getting from my viewers is basically which house represents assets? Which house represents assets? So that's the question. So lot many people have limited knowledge about Vedic astrology, and sometimes they might misunderstand between the second house, fourth house and the 11th house. Let me tell you the difference between the second house, fourth house and the 11th house. Second house talks about your assets. Assets in what form? Second house talks about your wealth profile, your financial profile in the form of liquid cash or your bank balance in the bank account, right? So which is not in the form of assets, but it's in the form of money, which you can able to withdraw at any point of time. But there are certain assets which is in the form of property, which is in the form of vehicles, which is in the form of share market, wherein which you have to sell those assets in order to make money out of it. Okay, that can be seen from the fourth house. And 11th house is all about your gains in the form of wealth, your money gains, your business profits, your hopes and wishes. That can be seen from the 11th house. So second house talks about the savings that you have in the form of money. 11th house talks about incoming flow of cash, incoming flow of gains, and fourth house talks about your assets, wherein which you have to sell those assets in order to make money out of it. Alright, so this is one common thing lot many people are not aware of it, the differences between the second house, fourth house and the 11th house. So if at all there is a exchange of planets between the second house and the 11th house, so that can be formed as one of the wealth yoga, and these people will be making wealth during that planetary period of time. If second house lord is placed in the fourth house, this person will be investing the money in the properties, buying real estate and selling the properties, and he'll be making money out of it, and he'll be investing money on the vehicles as well. You might have seen people who are into automobile industry, okay, who will be renting their cars for for general purpose. So for those people, fourth house lord should be in the 10th house, or 10th house lord should be in the fourth house. If at all any connection between the fourth house lord, fourth house as a planets with the 10th house, obviously he'll be taking the career into real estate. You might have seen lot many real estate agents have this combination. Fourth house should be connected with the 10th house. 10th house is all about occupation, the kind of career that he take up. So any connection between the 4th house and 10th house leads to getting money through vehicles, right? So lot many people will be engaging into the real estate business as well, selling the properties, or maybe they might be working as brokerage agents, they'll be working as a construction builders. So for all these people, there is a connection between the 4th house and 10th house and the 11th house. If 4th house lord is placed in the 11th house, or 11th house lord is placed in the 4th house, that's another indication that this person will be making money through selling and buying the assets. This person will be involved into the real estate, he will be involved into the vehicles, okay. And 4th house also talks about peace of mind. You'll be getting very good peace of mind if 4th house is very stronger. What's the point of having lot much of money if you don't have peace of mind? So 4th house plays a major role, and most importantly moon plays a major role, because moon is the karaka for thoughts and mind. At the same time, Venus plays a major role in terms of having an assets on your name, because Venus is all about money, Venus is all about luxury, Venus is all about comforts, Venus is all about happiness. So you need to have strong Venus to make good money out of in your life. Alright, so with that I conclude this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you have any questions, please send an email to me, or you can put it in the comment section so that I'll answer. If at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart, and I can tell you what exactly your Venus is doing, what exactly your moon is doing, what exactly your 4th house, 10th house and 11th house is saying about, so that I can able to provide you the complete report about all the 9 planets in your birth chart. Alright, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.